Welcome to another video. Today we have some questions on inequalities. We have 6 questions and we are required to express the inequalities on a number line. Okay, so let's tackle the problems one after the other. The first one there, A. So we are going to express this inequality on a number line. So what we are going to do, we draw a number line. You know, number line runs from negative infinity to positive infinity. So we have s is greater than 3. So let's say here is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So to represent this on a number line, this is 3, we draw a circle on top of 3. Okay, the question arises, are we going to shade this circle or not? We will only shade the circle if x is greater than 3 or s is equal to 3. So we are not going to shade the circle. So what we are going to do now is to draw an arrow towards positive infinity. So this is the representation of this inequality on a number line. So let's go to B. So we draw another number line. Negative infinity, positive infinity. So let's say this is our 0, is 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we have that x is greater than 3 or equal to 3. So s is assuming 2 possibilities. Since x is assuming 2 possibilities, it can either be 3 or greater than 3. We are going to shade the circle. And s is greater than 3, so s is tending towards positive infinity. So we draw an arrow towards positive infinity. So that is the number line representation of this inequality. So we go to C. We draw a number line again. Negative infinity and positive infinity. S is less than 3. So let's say here is our 0. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say here is 6. Here x is greater than 3. Okay, so we put a circle on top of 3. And here x is less than 5. So this is 5. We put a circle also on top of 5. Since in both cases x is assuming one possibility, that is s is greater than 3 here, and here s is less than 5, we are not going to shade the circle. All we got to do is to connect the two circles with a line. So this is the number line representation of this inequality. So we go to D. Okay, so we draw a number line again. So let's say this is our 0, this is 1, and this is 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, negative. Okay, we know that this is our 2. We draw a circle on it, and this is our negative 3. We draw a circle on the negative 3. In both cases, 2 is inclusive of the value of x, and minus 3 is also inclusive of the value of x. So what we're going to do now is to connect the two circles now. So this is the number line representation of the inequality. Then we go to E, another number line, and we have a, let's say this is our 0, and this is minus 1, and this is minus 2. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is 3. So we draw a circle on top of 3, and we draw a circle on top of minus 2. Okay, since s is greater than minus 2, we are not going to shade the circle. Okay, because minus 2 is not inclusive of the value of x. Here, s is less than or equal to 3, meaning that x can be 3 or less than 3. We will shade this circle. Then all you got to do now is to connect the two circles with a line. So this is the number line representation of this inequality. Then we go to the last one, f. We draw a number line again. Let's say here is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is our 3. We put a small circle on top of 3. Okay, we know that s is less than or equal to 3. Okay, because s is less than or equal to 3, assuming two possibilities, we shade the circle. And since s is tending towards negative infinity, we draw a line towards negative infinity. So this is the number line representation of this inequality. Thanks once again for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.